Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking current battery percentage and recent charge cycles to know the baseline, then act fast. Close background apps using the app switcher and enable low power or battery saver right away. Once done, toggle off Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi if you're not using them. Radios drain power continuously. Make sure to reduce screen brightness and set a shorter screen timeout. These first steps immediately slow down the fastest drains so you can stabilize battery use while you continue optimization. Now you dig into settings. Restrict background activity per app and disable auto start for apps you rarely use because they wake the phone and burn juice. Update your apps and operating system to pick up efficiency improvements and uninstall or disable bloatware that runs hidden services. Once updated, enable adaptive brightness and set location permissions to while using to cut GPS overhead. Make sure to review sync intervals for email and social apps. Setting them to manual or longer intervals reduces wake events that shorten battery life. Finish with a calibration and safeguards. Charge to 100%, then let the phone drain to around 5% once to help the OS estimate capacity more accurately, and then charge normally. Enable scheduled battery saver to activate at lower thresholds and check the built-in battery health report to spot aging cells. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode to rule out apps or try a fresh SIM and a different charger. These steps pinpoint whether hardware or software is causing the rapid drain and guide your next action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.